Can we talk a little bit about cost tracking and how that translates to invoicing and that whole process? Again, contrasting today versus times of past.
Sure, absolutely. So again, the footages are very important that the contractors put into the tasks. There's also a QA/QC process that is also provided with the tool. And with that, we have inspectors that look at every piece of fiber, every conduit, every vault head, MST, anything that is placed in the field. Our inspectors go out, do a very thorough inspection on it, populate the task. If there's anything at all that fails, it will either generate a rectified task, it will either be a major or minor. And those are conditions that we negotiate before we even start the project. And we tell our subs, our contractors, if this is not operational, it's going to be a major gig and you're not going to get paid until it's resolved. So the QA process is done pretty much simultaneously with the construction. Once the construction's done, it's segmented. So, for example, if you have an underground piece, you have the vaults on each end, the conduit, the fiber, the MSTs, the splicing, even down to the power testing being done.
Yep.
Then our guys go out and inspect it. If it passes, it's good. We can then generate one of the other custom reports out of Render that tells us this was supposed to be 1,000 feet. They installed 1,000 feet. It was supposed to be 18 inches high or 18 inches different from the next power company. And I'm making up numbers because I don't know all the parameters everywhere. It varies market to market. Those rectified tasks are there for a reason. Once all the rectifies are done, then we know that we can pull quantities and the contractor can provide the invoicing to the client. One of the things that they do is they provide it to us at TBG. We audit the invoice, make sure that everything is in place. We either reject it or we approve it and send it on. And that is another great way to pull out what is within a grant, a BEAD area, and what isn't part of a BEAD area for reimbursement.